I would say this house is unforgettable. Yeah. Just don't find property like this. The house itself is very special. It's built Nantucket style. So anybody who's ever seen any of those East Coast movies of like the Hamptons, it kind of feels like that when you're here, that you're like, I just want to have a party, and this is definitely an entertainer's house. This house has fireplaces in all the bedrooms, multiple ovens and multiple dishwashers. Even above the garage, there is this beautiful cottage with a Murphy bed. So you can host all the people you want to host. Design and the build of the house. So it's built very far back on the lot, close to the road, which enables you to have this huge yard that's just this beautiful seagrass that changes color in the seasons. All of the house is designed sort of long and wide so that it faces the west. So no matter which bedroom you're in, you have a view of the sunset, as well as the living rooms and the kitchen. And then there's a beautiful covered patio out for the sunset where you can have your appetizers and your favorite drink and you're watching that sun go down. But those sunsets are every color of the rainbow. It's very amazing. Such a beautiful, outstanding location. What's amazing about North Whidbey is that yes, you can take the ferry up from the south end of the island and drive along the island. But you can also drive around Deception Pass. This community and this location kind of gives you both Whidbey Island, but also Skagit Valley and the San Juans. And I think that that's what makes North Whidbey so special, is that you can be the person that is out on the boat and exploring all the San Juan Islands and then be back here. You can be the one that's like, I want to go see La Conner for the day and be back here. And so that's the type of home that makes this unique. And you need to love quiet and serenity, because that's what you're going to get, is a lot of quiet and serenity. This is a home that is meant to be shared. It's not for somebody just to own, because that's not what this place is. You want somebody who really wants that Whidbey Island experience, and that Whidbey Island experience is inside and outside.